My name is Steve Quern. I'm continuing on with my Ironclads and FLYERS video series on my revisions of the USS Monitor and the CSS Virginia and the H.L. Huntley submarine of the American Civil War. After I ended the last video, I realized that I did not do the cost mathematics of the Warship Design. So I'm going to be doing that today. Not today. It's still the same evening as previous video. So Ironclads and FLYERS is a tabletop miniatures wargame system featuring naval warfare of the Victorian age, 1800s. It's part of the Space 1889 RPG system. So, let's get my writing materials over here. So, let's see what I got for. Oh, also, I came to a conclusion that the 1 unit of coal is equal to 1 coal bunker size. So the harbors, when it says they can do 10 units of coal per day, that is coal bunker size 10, which is 100 tons. So what I'm thinking of doing is having all the coal bunker sizes being whole numbers of 10, so that way it's simpler for when you're doing the recoiling within the campaign. So let's see here. So coal bunkers 30. Okay, so let's see what's going on here on the naval ship costs. So most of my warships have been 5 digits. One or two have been 6 digits in size, in cost. So let's see here. That's 40,000. $40,000 right here. 0.04. Propulsion system. Size 16 conventional. That's 16,000. $56,000. No cost there. Coal bunker, no cost in there. 294,000. So 0.00060. 6, 9, that's 5, 350,000. Three, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Zero, 2, 2, 5, 3. 1,000. No, these are more expensive because they're in sponsons, and these are your standard fixed positions. 2. So the total cost is $356,200. And the core bunker is 30, so we're good. We don't have to make any changes on that. And the total displacement is 4,000 tons. $16. Okay. One, 2, 5, 0 times 16, 0, 30, 12, 15, 6, 7, 5, nope, 0, 5, 2, 1, 0, 0, 5, 5, 0, 0, 2. It's 20,000. Okay. Oh, no, okay, that's correct. It's the HP that's wrong. and that's 10.0 knots. Let's see here. And that is everything. Now this design is complete. That's the Attacker.